Evening all. I hope y'all made it through the snowstorm. We did alright. We come through to the other side. And I'm a little bit hungry. Been busy filling up the bird feeders and moving the snow out of the way and whatnot. And when I was a little boy, winter time, my mother, she would make rice and gravy. So that's what we're going to do tonight. We're going to take that McCormick brown gravy mix and that rice back there in that bag, and we're going to make us some rice and gravy. If y'all never had rice and gravy, you missing out. You got to go try it. It's good. It's really good. It'll warm up your belly after you come inside from that snowstorm out there. So here we go. Let's try it out. First thing we got to do is get some water boiling for that rice over there. The rice takes the longest little bit to cook. The gravy takes a while, but the rice takes the most. So we're going to fill up that pot right there and get this water to boil, and we'll add some rice down in there and get that rice to cooking real nice. We'll come back in a little bit when that water's boiling, and we'll pour that rice down inside there. After we get the rice to cooking, we'll start on that gravy. I ain't got but maybe 1 or 2 pots over here, so I'm not sure which one I'm going to do the gravy in yet. We'll see. We'll see when we get here. We'll come back in a little bit when that water's to cooking. There's that water starting to boil. I've got 2 cups of Mahatma long grained rice right here. I'm going to pour down into that water. Oh yeah, look at that right there. That's going to be some good rice right there. Let's get that stirred around down in there a little bit. Oh, you can hear that water sizzling. Okay. Nice. Nice. And after we get this rice cooked up, what we're going to do is start on the gravy. You got to let that rice boil right there. Soften up a little bit. Mom didn't have no recipe. She just cooked off the cuff, I guess you could say. She's a real good cook. Old folks been gone a while. They always knew the right thing to do, even in the hard times. Middle of winter, we never went hungry. We always had simple foods, like this rice and gravy right here. and it was a treat. It was a treat. We always enjoyed going into winter time because we knew that Mom would cook something that would fill up our bellies and keep us warm. Wasn't food that you had every day, and so it was always a treat. Stirring this knife right here, I can Knock two birds out of the sky with one stone. I stir the rice, keep it from burning on that fire down there, and I get my knife cleaned at the same time. Oh yeah, oh yeah. All right, we'll let that rice cook down there for a little bit, and then we'll get on to the gravy. We're back in a little while. Rice is nearly done. Rice is nearly done. Look how nice that looks. Maybe 10 more minutes. We'll let that go for 10 more minutes. Then we'll get to going on that gravy. There we go. That rice is done. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh, that's some nice rice. Right there. Look at that right there. Let me turn the heat off from underneath there. I get this rice moved out of the way. Put on a plate. Oh, that is gonna be some good rice right there. I could eat that without the gravy. I get this moved out of the way, and we'll start on that gravy. Oh yeah, look at that right there. Woo-wee. Mama, be proud. Okay. There we go. Alright, let's see what we got to do here. It says we need 1 package McCormick gravy mix and 1 cup of cold water. And then we stir water gradually into gravy mix with whisk in small saucepan. Stirring frequently, cook on medium heat until gravy comes to a boil. Then reduce heat and simmer for 1 minute. Gravy will thicken upon standing. Serve over beef, hot meat, sandwiches, or mashed potatoes. And in our case, rice. Okay. Alright. Let me get 1 cup. 1 cup of water. Alright, got to get my 1 cup measuring cup there. And we'll pour that down into that saucepan. Okay, that takes care of that part right there. And now we're going to open up this package of McCormick brown gravy mix. Now we don't do nothing gradually around here. We're going to pour it all in there. Did you get it all out? There, you got it all out. Okay. Let's put a little bit of fire underneath of there. Get my whisk out of my back pocket here. And we're going to stir that McCormick brown gravy mix into that water right there. Look at that. Oh yeah, you can tell that's looking good already. We'd come in from the winter time and our hands would be frozen, our toes would be frozen. My mom had this little trick of putting our hands and toes underneath warm running water to unthaw us, because great God above, we'd stay out there until we was so frozen that we couldn't move. She'd drag us into the house and she would say, stick your hands under this warm running water. She'd put some warm water running water from the tap, and we stuck our hands under there, and within 5-10 minutes we'd be back to normal. We was alright. And if we hadn't done that, shoo-wee, our fingers and toes would be hurting real bad. Alright. I'm going to turn that heat down a little bit. That's awfully high. I don't want to burn that gravy. Get this going around in a circle right here. Alright, we'll come back in a little bit. And we'll put that gravy down onto that rice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That gravy's done. We're going to take and pour this gravy down on top of that rice. Let's get over there and do that so we can get something into our bellies. Okay. There's our bucket of rice. Here we're going to go in there with the gravy. Oh, man. Ain't no complaints here. Ain't no complaints here. Look at that. McCormick brown gravy right there. Shoo-wee. You know those folks over there, they make some good recipes. Oh yeah. Now we're going to set this over here in the sink so we can wash these dishes after we get done eating. Oh yeah. Look at that. That right there is a good wintertime meal. That'll set you good for 2 or 3, maybe even 4 days. Ah. Alright folks, thank you very much for watching. I always enjoy it when you come over. Let's go eat. Alright folks, let's see if we made Mom proud of us with our cooking skills. Here's our rice and gravy. Oh, that looks good. If y'all could see that, oh, you'd know this would be good. Oh, ah, good. Now, if we was over in Korea, we'd be eating this with chopsticks. Oh, it's good. Rice and gravy. That warm me belly up in the winter time. Folks, thank you very much for stopping by. I always enjoy it when you come over. Oh yeah. Oh, that's good. If y'all was up north, where the snow never ends, you see my son. Tell him I said hi.